Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need two of these tri-bead ladder cuffs. I have a tutorial already made for these, so you're going to need two of those. And you're going to need some clear pony beads and perler beads. And I'll list this tutorial underneath the video. You're going to need scissors, a lighter, and a needle, and a long piece of string. We're going to start with the long piece of string. I already put my needle on and I went through this orange bead and left a little piece. Now for our pattern, we're going to add a pink perler, clear, pink perler, clear, okay, so we have 4 perlers and 3 clear beads. That's going to be the outside pattern for each color. We need to go through this pink perler bead, so it looks like that. Now we're going to add a pink perler, clear, perler, so 3 perlers and 2 pony beads. Now we want these patterns to line up exact, so I already have that. So we're going to go through this pink perler bead on this cuff. Now we're going to do this pattern that we did on this part. So perler, pony, perler, pony, perler, pony, okay. We're going to go down this orange, and that's what it looks like so far. Now we're going to take this other string here. We're going to put on 1 pink perler, and then we're going to go through these 3 beads here, and then you'll add another perler. Now tie this tight. Whoops. And then you'll cut the small one off. Okay, now we're going to go through this orange tri-bead, and then up this yellow perler bead. Now we're going to do yellow. The same exact thing here, but in yellow. So there's our outside pattern. You're going to take your needle and go through this green. Okay, the inside pattern. Now we're going to go through this green. Okay, we're back on the outside pattern. You know what, guys? This needs to be yellow. not green. I don't know why I put green on. I put yellow right here. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, inside pattern. We're going to go through the green. Now we're going to do the outside. Yellow, clear, yellow, clear, yellow. Outside. We're going to go through this yellow. We're going to add one perler, go through all three of these beads, and then add a yellow perler. This time we're going to go through all of these beads here, starting with this yellow one. And then coming out of the green. So you're just doing a circle around those top beads. So we went all the way around. Okay, you're going to go through this green tri-bead. Then we're going to go up this blue perler. And this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so what we're doing is we're skipping each color. So instead of green here, we're going to do blue. To remind myself so I don't mess that up. Alright, we're going to add a blue, clear, blue, clear, blue, clear, blue for the outside pattern. And then you're going to go through this purple. Okay, the inside. We're going to go through this purple on the other side. Okay, we're going to add our outside pattern. Okay, we're going to go through this blue. Inside, we're going to add a perler and then go through these three beads, add another perler, and just like we did on this yellow side, we're going to go through all of these beads. And the purple. Okay, and then you're going to go through this purple tri-bead, and then up here through the pink. Okay, so now we're back to the pink. You're going to repeat this, all of these, until you get to the end. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how to tie it off. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last bead, which was one of these blue perlers, and you're going to go up these two and this bead right here, and then you can go ahead and tie it off. cut that off. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.